Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have my Boxycharm box. It's funny that it came the day after my Ipsy box, and I just did that unboxing and I'm doing this unboxing now. So I am liking that, actually. It's kind of fun to get them close to the same day and unbox them on the same day. So if you guys aren't familiar, Boxycharm is a subscription box that you get once a month, and it gives you 5 full-sized fun things. And this says Boxy and Chill, and it tells me a little bit about each one. So let me and it's a surprise to me. I never know what I'm getting, but Don't Despair, Repair. Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. So this is a mask. It says spray throughout freshly washed and damped hair. Good, good, good. At first I was thinking it was for your face. With focus on the mid-length and ends. Comb through and do not rinse out. Air or blow dry. Style hair as usual. So that's good. I am liking that already. I haven't used it yet, but I'm excited to try it. So let's see. Don't Despair, Repair. Strength Moisture Leave-In Mask, 2 ounces. Super moisturizing and strengthening leave-in conditioner provides reparative benefits and beyond. Its unique formulation of micro-encapsulated argan oil and its optimal blend of transformative nutrients that include vitamin B, coconut oil, algae extract, and biotin help to promote healthy hair that will leave you looking your very best. And this is a retail value of $16. So there's that. And then this looks exciting. It is Tarte High Performance Naturals Rainforest of the Sea Eyeshadow Palette Volume 3. Rainforest of the Sea. I don't know. Sometimes these eyeshadow palettes are insanely not me, but we shall see. I love the way it looks. Oh, it kind of looks like it might be a neutral. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh. I just have lotion on my hands and I almost wish I hadn't put any on. Oh my gosh, it's like very tame. Oh, I love it. I love all of the glittery glitz. Oh my goodness. Now, I'm not a big blue or brown person. This really makes me wonder if I should save this and give it to my daughter for even like a birthday present. She loves mermaids, and this is more of her palette. Oh, as much as I hate to do it, I probably will. And I shouldn't say hate to do it. I just want it because it's so cute, but these aren't really my colors. I like darker colors, but oh, I love this, and she loves mermaids. Like Ariel Mermaid was her favorite. I'm going to try to rinse or wipe my lotion off with my poncho. Oh my gosh, I am very excited about this though. I think it's really pretty, and I think that Katie would love it. So how can I not give it to her, right? And it shows you different ways to do different looks. And this one says, limited edition Rainforest of the Sea highlighting eyeshadow palette. Dive into this vegan crease-free eyeshadow palette that features 7 highly reflective plush micro shimmers and 1 matte nude that serves as the perfect transition shade. This blendable and long wear formula enriched with vitamin E and antioxidants helping to hydrate and protect the lids. It retails for $36. So that's kind of exciting. I know that's a fancy brand. Ooh, this looks like some pretty lipstick. This says Bite Beauty. Looks like it's the color Sorbet. Ooh, fancy. Very cool. Different. Okay, it's a little light for me, but it's very pretty. I might also save this one for the chick. It's very pretty though. I don't know. Maybe I will wear it. I know I don't have to save everything for her. I just am bad at that. But this says that it is Amuse Bucci, I think is the name of it. Bucci? Is that right? Bucci? You're so bushy. I don't know now. I'm saying it funny. This high-impact lipstick is multi-dimensional shades, was handcrafted to deliver intense moisture and creamy wear. The lipstick serves bold, creamy color and an unforgettable sensorial experience in a single swipe. And it retails for $26. So what? Okay, I'm going to have to try it. Sensorial experience. It has a scent. It's like a pepperminty. Maybe that's what it is. I don't know. It is very moisturizing. It feels almost like lip gloss. So I'm kind of excited to see how it looks. I will take a picture of myself when I'm done with all of this. And this is Starlooks eye pencil. Oh, and this retailed for $26. I don't know if I said that. This is $19. Starlooks expands into a mechanical eye pencil with a launch exclusive to Boxycharm. The intensely pigmented formula delivers a beautiful color that lasts all day. The easy to extend and retract pen makes application and continuous use seamlessly easy without ever having to use a pencil sharpener. Well, that sounds wonderful if I can open it up. And I will show you guys. I don't know what that lipstick is supposed to do. I've kind of expected it to like tingle or something. And I got nothing. I'm not having any sort of gosh, I can't ever say it. Sensorial experience. Whatever that means. Who writes these things? It's so funny. That just reminded me of Seinfeld. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then you might not be a fan, or you might be too young to even have watched Seinfeld. But if you do know, I'm talking about Elaine. That was so funny. Goodness gracious. They make these childproof for sure. I don't know why they have to do that. I mean, I get it, I guess, but I mean, you don't want people using this stuff, but maybe packaging it a little bit better or a little differently so it's not so hard to open up would be better. Because I don't want to buy a product that I can't even open. Oh my goodness, and I thought this was going to be black. It's not even black. Oh my gosh. It might tell me what color it is, but it says Aurora. Is that the color maybe? But look at it. It's like a pink color. That's supposed to be on somebody's eye. To me, that would make your eyes look awful. That looks more like a lip pencil color, in my opinion. Whew, finally. I love that it's self-sharpening. I love that. I mean, it feels like it's nice. It feels a little bit cheapy, honestly. And nothing. So you got to push really hard to get anything. And it's more like a glitter. Like I'm pushing hard enough where I feel like I'm going to break it. And then look, I like close it and it like, can you see that? It like pops down all of a sudden. Oh. Well, now it's not. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I was just being weird. I don't know. It feels cheap. I've had, you know, these roll-up-y things for lots of years, and this one feels like it's cheap. Yeah, I'm not very impressed with this at all. I mean, it actually looks kind of nice with the lipstick. I wonder, I think I would wear this as a lipstick rather than eyes. And it does say eye pencil, yes. But maybe it's not an eyeliner. Maybe it's an eye pencil. But it's kind of a weird, I don't know. I'm weird. Maybe I'm being weird. I mean, I like the glitter that it offers, but I don't know. Maybe I'm weird. And then I have 2 skin masks, which is perfect. I'll take those to use with my daughter. I'm going to see her this week. So this is Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask 2-pack. Retails for $24, which is insane. Tatcha is the name, and it says nourish skin from within using the lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 milliliters of skin quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. A scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae instantly restores skin's health and radiance. And I'm going to put this on my face. Kind of crazy, but all right. And it is one of the masks that is a sheet mask, so that's kind of nice. I like those. So yeah, all in all, I think it's okay. I really like this. I love this. I think that we will use this. I'm not sold on this, and this will be fine. So all in all, I think I did pretty well. I love the eyeshadow. That's my favorite, but I'm going to give that to my daughter because I know she will use it more than me, and she will love that it's mermaid. So there we go. That's what I got. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.